Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your WhatsApp to your computer or laptop. But before we get started into the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Now let's get into the video. So what you want to do is search up whatsapp.com. Now it will take you here. Click on WhatsApp web. Now it will take you here to use WhatsApp on your computer. If you're on an Android, you have to tap menu. A lot of options will come up. Choose WhatsApp web. But if you're on an iPhone like me, go to settings, then tap on WhatsApp web / desktop. Now what you have to do is tap on QR code. Now you have to scan this. So I just scanned it. Now your WhatsApp is connected to your laptop or computer. Now you can text your friends, family on your laptop or computer. Please subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Bye.